Good afternoon. It is the 11th of January. Looking at the closes for these markets that we follow. Cotton market was moving slightly up on the day, slightly down on the day throughout the day. So it hovered around unchanged through most of the days, closing down a small amount. The grain market got hit earlier, was down quite a bit, came back. Most markets firmed back in the last 10 minutes to close to unchanged, or at least soybeans did. But soybeans are going to close down, and corn and wheat are also closing down, but well off of the lows that were made. No real news. We have a crop report coming out tomorrow with production, and then the grain stocks also coming out. Looking for those numbers and grains to be, in the case of soybeans and corn, to have a slight reduction from the previous number that we had last month, a slight reduction in production and also a slight reduction in carryout, but still, based on this time last year, quite a large number still for carryout. So the market seems to be treading water as it moves closer to those numbers. Let's look at cotton, down 573.14 in March. Cotton, a high of 73.81, a low of 72.99. March soybeans down 2.5 at 10.11 and a quarter. Its high was 10.16 and a half, and its low was 10.01. And with a few minutes to go, the high was 10.09 and three quarters. So we actually firmed up quite a bit right at the very end. Corn down a penny at 3.57 and a quarter, a high on the day of 3.58 and a quarter, and a low of 3.52. March wheat down 8 at 4.18 and three quarters. That seems like a lot, but it did get down to 4.12, so another 6 and three quarter cents lower than that at one point. But closing down at 8, and the high is 4.26 and a quarter. The dollar right now is down 52. Crude oil is up quite a bit, up $1.66. Gold up right now, up about $8. Silver down about 6 cents. So we're mixed there. And the Dow Jones at the moment is up 60. So that's it. Join us tomorrow morning for an early Ag Market Network morning update, to be followed by our export report, to be followed at 11 by coming on and talking about the crop report as it comes out. So have a good evening, and we'll see you then. Thank you.